Hello students. Let us continue with the sums based on elimination method from chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. We have done few sums based on this elimination method. We will continue few more. The question which I have taken right now is question 38 of exercise 3B R.S. Agarwal. The question is solve for x and y and the equations are 2 by 3x plus 2y plus of 3 by 3x minus 2y equals to 17 by 5 and 5 by 3x plus 2y plus of 1 by 3x minus 2y equals to 2. Now children, by seeing this question, you should notice that the denominator of the first terms of both the equations are same. That is 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y. Similarly, the denominators of the second term in both the equation is same as 3x minus 2y and over here also 3x minus 2y. So, we will assume 1 by 3x plus 2y as one variable and 1 by 3x minus 2y as another variable. So, we will be getting a new equation in two new variables. We will get the value of those two new variables and then on the substitution in our supposition, we will be getting the value of the required x and y. So, let us proceed. Let 1 by 3x plus 2y equals to, let us suppose, u, and 1 by 3x minus 2y equals to v. Then the given system of linear equations are 2u plus 3v equals to 17 by 5 and 5u plus v equals to 2. Now we will have to solve it. So either we will make the u coefficient same or the v coefficient same. So let me multiply the second equation by 3 so that we can make the v coefficient same. So I am multiplying second equation by 3 and the first equation as such. So let it be into 1. Let us make it equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now if I multiply this, I will be getting 2u plus 3v equals to 17 by 5 and the second equation reduces to 15u plus 3v equals to 6. Now subtracting, change the sign, subtracting, we get. So over here it will be minus of 13u equals to 17 by 5 minus of 6. This implies minus of 13u equals to 17 minus of 30 by 5. This implies u equals to minus of 13 by 5 into 1 by 13 with minus sign. So this minus, this 13 cancel. So answer is 1 by 5. Now substituting u equals to 1 by 5, substituting u equals to 1 by 5 in 2, we get 5 into 1 by 5 plus v equals to 2. This implies v equals to 1. Therefore, now let us go to our substitution. U 1 by 3x plus 2y equals to u and u value is how much? 1 by 5. This implies 3x plus 2y equals to 5. Again also the second supposition, 1 by 3x minus 2y equals to v and v we have got as 1. This implies 3x minus of 2y equals to 1. Let us make it equation number 3 and this as 4. Now either we can add or subtract to get the value of x and y from 3 and 4. So let us add it. Adding 3 and 4, we get 6x equals to 6. This implies x equals to 1. Therefore, putting x equals to 1 in equation 3, we get 3 into 1 plus of 2y equals to 5. This implies y equals to 5 minus 3, 2 by 2, that is 1. Therefore, x equals to 1, y equals to 1. Answer. Continuing with the sums based on elimination method, let us solve one more sum, which is question number 43 of R.S. Agarwal exercise 3b. The question is solve for x and y, and the equations are x by a minus y by b equals to 0 and ax plus by equals to a square plus b square. So let us solve it. In the solution part, first we will write the given equations. So given system of linear equations are x by a minus y by b equals to 0 and ax plus by equals to a square plus b square. This implies the LCM of this two will be ab. So I will be multiplying both the sides by ab. So this implies bx minus ay equals to 0 and ax plus of by equals to a square plus b square. Now to make the coefficient of x or the coefficient of y, I have to multiply the equations. So let us make it equation 1 and this as equation 2 and multiply this with a and this with b. This implies abx minus of a square y equals to 0 and abx plus of b square y equals to, let me do that side. Multiplying this with a, abx minus of a square y equals to 0 and multiplying this with b, abx plus of b square y equals to b into a square plus b square. So by subtracting, we will be getting a square minus of a square minus of b square into y equals to minus of b a square plus of b square. This implies y equals to minus of b a square plus of b square by minus of a square plus b square. So we are getting y equals to b. Now putting y equals to b in either of the equations. So equation 1 is looking more simpler, so let us substitute in equation 1 y equals to b in equation 1. We get bx minus of ab equals to 0. This implies bx equals to ab implies x equals to a. Therefore, x equals to a and y equals to b is the answer. Continuing the sums based on elimination method, the next question is, which I have taken is question 50 of R.S. Agarwal exercise 3b. The question is solve for x and y, and the equations given are x by a plus y by b equals to a plus b and x by a square plus y by b square equals to 2. Now children, over here the denominators are a and b, and over here the denominators are a square and b square. You can solve this question by simply multiplying this with 1 by a square and this with 1 by a. Then the coefficients of x will be same and hence you can proceed. But what you do is, you take the LCM of these two and multiply both the sides to make the denominator free of any variable or any constant. Similarly, take the LCM of these two and multiply both sides so that the denominator should not be containing anything except 1. So let us start. make it equation 1 and make it equation 2. So multiplying both sides of equation 1 by AB and equation 2 by A square B square, we get, let us write the equations. Bx plus of ay equals to ab a plus b, and over here b square x plus of a square y equals to 2 a square b square. Now let us multiply, make it equation number 3, and this as 4, and multiply this with b. If I multiply this with b, it will be b square and the coefficient of x will be same in both the equations. If you want to write, you can write into 1 over here. So implies b square x plus aby equals to ab square a plus b, and this we will copy as such. B square x plus a square y equals to 2a square b square. Now subtracting, we get, change the sign, these two will be cancelled, and this will be getting as ab minus of a square into y equals to, let us subtract it, a square b square plus of a b cube minus of 2a square b square. I think you understand. I have opened the bracket, a square b square and a b cube, and over here minus of 2a square b square, copy it. This implies y equals to, let us solve it, this will be equals to a b cube minus of a square b square, a b cube and minus of a square b square, divided by a is common and left is b minus a. This equals to, in this what is common, a b square, what is left, b minus of a, and over here a b minus of a. So this term, this term, this term and this term is cancelled. So we are getting y equals to b square. Now putting y equals to b square in any of the equations and taking in number 4, we get b square x plus a square b square equals to 2 a square b square. This implies b square x equals to a square b square. This implies x equals to a square. Therefore x equals to a square and y equals to b square is the answer.